Ladies and gentlemen, we've had a right engine failure. Shut down the engine. We're headed back to Long Beach at this time. Please stay in your seats and we'll try and clear the cabin as well as we can. Thank you.